How to remove repost on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile, here you'll find the two arrow icon. Simply click on it here. You'll find all your reposts. Now, to remove your repost, simply click on the video you want to remove and then click on the arrow on the right side. Here, click on Delete Reposts. After you press on Delete Repost, it will be removed. And you can repeat the same process to remove all your reposts as well. And this is how to remove repost on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.